TriMax Pro is a groundbreaking laptop that aims to redefine productivity by offering a unique 3-screen setup. It's designed to give a more immersive and efficient workspace for multitasking professionals. 3 built-in screens. The TriMax Pro features a central horizontal screen and 2 side screens, 16 inches main screen and 10.3 inches side screens with 1920x1200 resolution, and it's offering a significantly expanded workspace compared to traditional laptops. Enhanced productivity. The multi-screen setup allows for seamless multitasking, reducing the need to switch between applications or windows. Compact and portable. Despite its 3 screens, the TriMax Pro is designed to be portable and easy to carry around. Powerful specifications. The laptop is equipped with high-performance components to handle demanding tasks. It has 32 GB RAM for seamless multitasking. It is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 processor. Keyboard and security. Mechanical keyboard for smooth typing. Fingerprint unlock for quick and secure access. Customizable settings. Users can edit the layout and settings of the 3 screens to suit their specific needs and preferences. Here are some of the pros and cons of the TriMax Pro. Pros: enhanced productivity, immersive experience, flexibility, high-resolution displays, powerful hardware. Cons: price, weight, battery life, learning curve, compatibility. Overall, the TriMax Pro is a groundbreaking device that offers immense potential for productivity. But you need to weigh the advantages against the potential drawbacks. Consider factors like the price and weight before making a buy. If you're a professional, you must a highly productive workspace. You must be willing to invest in cutting-edge technology. The TriMax Pro is a game changer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.